Yo, what is up? What's been happening? Welcome back to another episode of Those Car Dudes.
JD, you're back!
I'm back.
He's back. Welcome back.
Where was I?
He was gone. You were on holiday.
I was gone and now I'm here.
You're here. You're back. You look very refreshed.
I'm so refreshed, Nathan.
Good to have you back.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling. I want to go on holiday now.
Nathan, I feel like you need to get back into
I wanna
the
go on
zone
holiday.
because we got projects to build.
Yes, we
We
do.
got things to do. And tonight, Nathan, what are we doing?
We are putting things on your car.
Exactly, Nathan. My Audi super slammed right now, but it doesn't have any wheels, and that's why
Oh, we have a tyre.
we're going to be putting some wheels on the RS4.
Yes, we are. Let's do it.
Well, here we are, Nathan. We are so privileged to be here at Autostance tonight, to be using their equipment and to be putting these wheels on the Audi.
Yes, you work here though.
I do work here, which is really cool.
You're
That's
like
why-
here all the time,
That's
bro.
why I have to do this after hours, because I can't do this during my car. Anyway,
Otherwise, his boss will kick him in the bum.
well, tonight we're going to be fitting these tires to the rim, and then we're going to be putting it on the car. These are 19-inch wheels. They are 9.5 wide, 35p offset. We're going to be putting these 225, 35, 19-inch wheel on this rim. It's going to look real good, Nathan. I'm actually very excited.
Yes, and
you
in
excited?
other words, absolutely. If you didn't know what any of those numbers mean, that is metal, that is rubber. You put them together, you can use them on your car.
For those that want to know, now you know, okay?
Yo, yo, yo. There's some seriously sick cars up in here. Just casually my daily RX3, no biggie smalls. Got my VIP build going on, nothing big. RX7's just a skid hack. There's my project up there, Project V-Dub, coming soon.
Nathan, step into my office, if you will. This is where Heine puts me every day of my life. It's miserable, but I love it. I'm joking, I love it. I actually do. I actually do enjoy this.
Okay, that's good.
This is where we fit the tires to the wheels, and right over here, this is where we balance the wheels as well. It's so cool that we get to use this. A massive shout out to Autostance. I know I work here, but massive shout out to you guys
He wants a pay rise.
for letting us use your shop. You guys are legends. Anyway, we're gonna get into it. Nathan, at the bottom here we have 4 pedals, an accelerator, a brake, and another accelerator, okay?
Nice.
That's all you need to know about that. Anyway, this pedal here, kind of clamps the wheel together, and that's just gonna assist you as you try and fit the tire to the rim. Very important to remember to apply a tire lube just to the edge of the tire wall. That way it would help you just to slide the tire on to the rim nice and easy. So we're about to fit this tire. Oh, it's very good that you get tires flying at you all day.
Whoa, a tyre!
Very important, there's an inside and outside, Nathan. Don't want to get that mixed up, I do it all the time. And
Usually
I know
says it somewhere on here, right?
very true. Alright, normally there's writing on the tire on the outside, that way you'll know that always goes on the outside of the wheel. Anyway, moving right along. This little arm will help me just to get it onto the rim. That way you just want to tuck it over the arm. And just use it, Nathan. Just use it. You know, you might look at this and think, what the heck is going on? All these arms just everywhere, it looks very complicated, but it's actually not. It's just a couple of arms giving you a hand, just like your friends, Nathan. Yeah. It's like when you work on my car, it's exactly the same thing.
I give you a hand.
Yeah, because your car's always in pieces. I never get to work on yours ever, so. Anyway. So this is not complicated to make your life hard, but to make it easy. Don't you ever hear that, Nathan?
Oh my God.
Never, ever, ever. Forever, ever, forever, ever.
Forever. That's a really intense contraption you got going on, you won't lie. Very cool.
Bang!
The pro himself.
Well, Nathan, now the tire is on the rim and we can now put air in the tire, which is very cool. Bang! Hey Nathan, remember the time I got it in the bin without looking? Did I get it?
You did.
Oh wow,
Well done.
Whoa! What we're doing now is we are putting air inside the tire, which will allow the tire to pop onto the bed of the rim. Whoa! So loud. Done on this machine, we are now moving on to this machine over here. This is essentially going to be the machine that's going to balance our wheel. We'll take away all the vibrations that you would normally get with an unbalanced wheel. This will tell us which weights to add on which side of the wheel, and well, make for a very smooth ride. Off one machine onto the other, we just put air in about 38 psi. We're now going to be balancing this wheel. It starts off here, Nathan. We have to tell it how far it is from this little thing. So use this little tape measure here, which it nicely gives you. It's around 35. The next one will tell you the width of the wheel, so it's 9.5, and the diameter of the wheel is 19. Alright. Give it a bit of a spin, Nathan, and then you're on your way.
Ooh.
And it's done. It's done, Nathan. It's done. So it's telling us 50 on the outer and 25 on the inner, but there are some old weights in there that we haven't taken off yet, so we're going to take those off and give it one more spin. As we can see, we need 30 grams on the outer and 25 on the inner. What we're going to do is just spin the wheel until those LEDs light up just like that, almost like Christmas Day. That's very cool.
Wow.
And that's going to essentially give you the line at the top of the wheel, which you will be applying your weight. We normally use brake cleaner just to get all the dust and all the kind of dirt off the inside of the wheel, which will then allow this weight just to stick and to stay on the wheel. So we've taken care of the inside of the wheel. It's showing 0. We're now just going to apply 25 grams to the outside.
Oh, look at that action. Oh.
We have 0 on the other side, which is great. We can now take the wheel off, Nathan, and put it on the car. Dramatic.
Woo.
Now that we have the car jacked up, we can put the wheels on. These are the locating rings, and these are essentially going to be the ones that will keep your wheel from sitting on this little ridge here, which is central to the hub. Obviously creates less vibration when driving, and it just really helps keeping the wheel nice and secure onto the car.
Here they are. They're going on.
Nathan, this is very exciting.
That's about right. About that much offset.
Nathan?
Yes.
Do you remember that time we fit those wheels to my Skyline?
Mm-hmm.
And they fit?
Yeah.
Just?
I
don't think this is gonna work.
Well, let's try it. And the only one way to find out.
I haven't even tested these yet. I just put tyres on and decided to go
Can
for
we
it.
just appreciate that RX3? Just, whoa, like, bruv. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro, look at it. That is beautiful. Audis don't have wheel nuts that you just kick the back wheels off.
Do I have dirt on my face?
Yes.
Oh.
Let's have a look. Oh. Show me your face. Show it to me.
It's so scary.
Okay, bye. What was that? Did you crack an egg? Moment of truth. Oh. Oh, snap. That looks sick. For lowering springs, that's pretty low. Dude, are you stoked?
It would settle as well once we drive over the bump. Dude, they actually look mad.
Here I am, just chilling with my RX3.
Eating my noodle, and JD is going to explain something very dear to his heart.
Well, we are here at the other side of the car. The wheels are on the other side. It looks amazing. But we did adjust the camber at the back, and we're going to do the same on this side. And it's just over here. I don't know if you guys can see that, because Nathan can't be getting up right now.
Sorry, bro.
He's eating
It's
food.
the noodles or the Audi. I can't decide.
And we'll just be adjusting this arm. We'll max it out. That way the wheel will fit and not rub. And we'll get a wheel alignment done on it, which will make sure that everything else is running nice and straight like it should.
I'm sorry it's so dark. The wheels are on, and they look sick. Look at that. JD's going for the first drive. That actually means fitment is sick. Pretty cool, eh, mate?
it is, the wheels are on the car. It looks amazing, Nathan.
It looks fantastic. The offset's really sick too.
It looks really good.
Absolutely.
I can't believe the color contrast as well works really well.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
We were tossing up black wheels or not, but I'm actually really glad that we went with these ones. The car looks amazing. This was just a short video of us chucking new shoes on the car, but we do have some cool stuff coming up, like what we're doing on the weekend. What are we doing on Saturday?
Nathan, we got Fours and Rotors happening, and it's gonna be so good. I'm so excited to see the builds that people have been working on over the last year. It's just, oh.
Absolutely. What date is Saturday? Let me work that out. You keep talking.
This is the outro, Nathan, to our video.
27 of January. Be there, ASB Showgrounds. We're gonna be there. Project cars from all over. If you see this video before then come. Hopefully I've edited it. If not, we were there.
Well, Nathan, this is exciting. The Audi's lowered, it's on wheels, it looks good. I can actually enjoy it now.
Absolutely.
Which is great.
And look cool doing it.
But this video's done.
It is done.
This is where it finishes.
It is done. Follow us on Instagram. Make sure you check us out on there. Hit that sub button, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
Man, that camera's just right up in my face. This
Yeah,
is
bro,
great.
it's a wide angle.
It's great, it's
How do you
right
feel
up in my
about it?
face.
How do
bro.
you feel about it?
It's right on my face. Oh my god.
Oh gosh, I actually hit you. I'm sorry.